Down, Simba, down. No, no, I'm human. Down, sit, heel. No, no, Simba, no, no, no. Ugh. Taming a tiger is really impossible. Ugh. In today's lesson, we'll learn about something else that's difficult to tame, our tongues. No, no, Simba, no, 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 that's my shoe, that's my shoe. Let go, let go. Hi everyone, I'm finally done taming tigers. Phew, that was exhausting. Today, we're going to be learning about the importance of our words, words produced by the tongue. Did you know that words have a lot of power? Well, they do. They have the power to harm or to help. When I was a young girl, some of my classmates at school used their words to bully me. They called me fat and said my clothes were ugly. They did this every day. Their words made me feel terrible. If you've ever been bullied, then you know what I mean. This is why teachers at school always say, no name calling, no bullying, no insults. Always use kind words. They know just how much words can hurt. But the opposite is true too. Words can encourage and uplift. For example, how would you feel if your teacher said, "Great job. Wow, thanks for helping. Keep going. Don't give up. Hang in there. I know you can do it." You would feel really good, right? So our words are really powerful. But don't just take my word for it. Let's see what God has to say about it in the Bible. In the book of James, chapter 3, God says this: "When we put bits into the mouths of horses to make them obey us, we can turn the whole animal." Or take ships as an example. Although they are so large and are driven by strong winds, they are steered by a very small rudder wherever the pilot wants to go. Likewise, the tongue is a small part of the body, but it makes great boasts. Consider what a great forest is set on fire by a small spark. The tongue also is a fire, a world of evil among the parts of the body. So God is telling us that the bit, the piece in the horse's mouth, is small, but it's powerful. It determines where the horse goes. Likewise, the rudder of a ship is small, but it steers the entire ship and determines where it goes. A small spark is able to start a huge forest fire. And our tongue, although it's a small part of the body, has great power too. It has the power to harm or help. It has the power to steer our lives.
We need to think before we speak.
Yes, and we need to choose our words wisely. Because once our words come out, the damage is done, and we can't take them back. You have 10 seconds to get all the toothpaste out of that tube. Go!
Ta-da!
Now we have another challenge. You have 10 seconds to get all the toothpaste back into the tube using this spoon. Here you go, Chris. Ready, get set, go!
I couldn't do it. I couldn't get the toothpaste back in the tube. This was impossible.
So how are words and toothpaste alike? Just like we can't put the toothpaste back in the tube, we can't put our words back in our mouth once they've been spoken. The damage has already been done. So we need to choose our words wisely. We need to choose words that honor God. Only let good things come out of our mouths and say them with a right attitude. Chris, can you go put these papers away for me?
Okay.
Chris, can you go put these papers away for me?
Fine, if I have to.
See what I mean? We need to say our words with a good attitude. Did you know that Jesus says we're responsible for every word that comes out of our mouths?
Really?
Really?
Every word?
It's true. In the book of Matthew, Jesus says this: "You must give account on Judgment Day for every idle word you speak."
Idle word? What does idle mean?
Idle is like careless. Careless means without care or concern for people whom you might hurt with your words.
So we don't want to be careless with our words.
Nope. You wouldn't want someone to be careless with their driving, would you? And that could cause damage. People could get hurt. It's the same with our words. If we're careful and we choose our words wisely, we can be like some of the people in the Bible. For example, Abigail. Well, she used her words in a good way, and she helped David. She kept David from sinning. What about Barnabas? He also used his words in a good way. He spoke to the disciples and persuaded them to accept Paul. What about Jesus? Right after the resurrection, Jesus spoke to Peter, and his words restored Peter and encouraged Peter. So remember, the words you use are powerful. Ask God to guard your mouth so only good words come out. Think before you speak. Choose wisely. Watch your tone. And remember, not every thought that comes to mind needs to come out of your mouth. Dear Lord, please help us to tame our tongue, to choose our words wisely, to choose words that honor you and point others to you. So remember, this week, tame your tongue. Let only good things come out of your mouth, like, I love you.
God loves you.
Study the Bible.
Your hair looks great.
You're the best.
You're doing a great job.
You're a hard